Good morning, students. Till now, we have learnt that there were two, Guru and his disciple. These two people were roaming and reached to a town where they found that the routine of the people was completely opposite to what we usually have. Like, we sleep during the night and work during the day, but those people in that town, the people used to work during night and slept during the whole day, and this amazed both of them. Apart from it, one more thing was there. Everything cost a single dudu, and this made the disciple very happy. But the Guru was being wise. He felt a sort of danger and he advised the disciple to leave the place, but the disciple did not get agree. So Guru left him. It so happened in the kingdom that a thief broke into, means sneaked in a rich merchant's house, made a hole in the wall and entered. But the wall collapsed and the thief was killed. His brother reached to the king and wanted the justice. He said that the king said that justice will be done, need not to worry. The thief's brother wanted that because of the rich merchant's house, his brother was killed and he should be given a compensation. कंपेंसेशन का मतलब कि किसी की वजह से कोई भरपाई करना, ठीक है, कंपेंसेशन देना. सो द मर्चेंट वाज कॉल्ड, मीन्स बुलवाया गया, समन किया गया. बरगर्ड मीन्स एंटर्ड टू स्टील. देन he said, helpless merchant said, Lord, I did not put up the wall. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. He didn't build the right. You should punish him. जब मर्चेंट को कहा गया कि your wall was weak, the wall of your house was weak, and therefore you are guilty, then merchant pleaded that he did not build the house, he did not build the wall, and therefore the mason, means the person who built the wall, should be punished. Actually, I did not have any fault of mine. He said, who is, the king said, asked him, who is that? My lord, this was wall built by my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. The merchant replied that this wall was built in my father's time, and he knew the mason. He has also become an old man now, but he lives nearby. This was the reply given by the merchant. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. They brought him, tied hand and food. क्या हो गया? Then the king sent his messengers to bring the bricklayer. Bricklayer means the mason, जो मकान बनाता है ईंटों से. So this mason was summoned. Then he has also become an old man. Then these messengers brought the mason, tied his hand and food. You there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? He was asked that if he had built the wall of the house of this, that means that person's father. Okay, when his father was alive, did he build the house of his father's house? Yes, my lord, I did. The mason replied, yes, I built the wall of this house. What kind of a wall is this that you built? It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. क्या लैंग्वेज यूज की जा रही है? You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. Just imagine. He was asked that what kind of wall was built by you, and an innocent person was killed because of the wall built by you, and you have to be punished now, and you have to be punished by death. Just imagine. What was the punishment decided? Death. Before the king could order the execution. Execution means hanging to death. So, before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, please listen to me before you give your orders. It's true, I built this wall and it was no good. Okay? But that was because my mind was not on it. I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her anklets jingling, and I couldn't keep my eye on my mind on the wall I was building. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. Just imagine that what kind of explanation was given by the mason. Mason ने कहा, of course you can give the order for execution. मेरी hanging का आप order दे सकते हैं. But before that, listen to me at least. Actually, I built the wall. It is true. He said, means mason said that I built the wall. It's true. He said that now it was not his fault, but actually he could not concentrate on his work, and the reason that he gave us that a dancing girl was going up and down the street. A dancing girl was going up and down the street all day with her anklets jingling. अब उसकी पायल बज रही थी पूरे टाइम. Anklets, jewelry, जो पैरों में पहनी जाती है. And they were making sound. Jingling means musical sound. And I could not keep my eyes or my mind on the wall I was building. And I could not concentrate on my work, means that the wall I was making. You just get that dancing girl. Aapko. He said to the king, means just call that dancing girl, and I know where she lives. He said that he knew where the dancing girl lived. You are right. The case deepens. We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. Let's get that dancer, wherever she is. The dancing girl, now an old woman, came traveling to the court. The king got agreed that now that dancing girl should be summoned. He said that they must look into the matter carefully. It was now a sensible case, not an easy case. It had become a complicated case to solve, and they had to go deeper into the case. So the dancer had to be called wherever she lived. Okay? अब किसको बुलवाना पड़ेगा? Dancer girl. Now the dancer girl had become now an old woman. She was summoned. She came trembling to the court. Did you wake up? and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall. Did you see him? Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. The king asked her that, did you move up and down the street while this mason was making the wall? She replied, yes, my lord, I remember it very well. So, you did walk up and down with your anklets jingling. You were young and you distracted him, so he built a bad wall. Just imagine, a king was saying this, that because of your movement up and down the street, this mason could not concentrate on his work and he was distracted because of your movement. Distracted means to stop somebody from concentrating. Distracting means mind divert ho jana. So he said that because of your movement, he got distracted and he built a bad wall. Now, it has fallen on a poor burglar and killed him. You have killed an innocent man. You will have to be punished. The dancer girl was asked that this wall had fallen on a poor burglar. Means चोर को तो पुअर बताया जा रहा, बेचारा पुअर burglar. And you means that dancer girl had killed an innocent man and she had to be punished. Now the blame had come to the dancer girl. She thought for a minute and said, my lord, wait, I know now why I was walking up and down that street. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me. He was a lazy scoundrel. He made so many excuses, said he would give it now, and he would give it then, and then so on all day. He made me walk up and down to his house a dozen times. It's not my fault, my lord. It's the damn goldsmith's fault. Now, listen to his reply. क्या बोला उसने? उसने भी कुछ सोचा डांसर गर्ल ने. Now she had become an old woman. उसने कहा, my lord, wait कीजिए. Now I recall that why I was moving up and down the street, because I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make my jewelry. And he was a lazy scoundrel. Scoundrel, you must be knowing its meaning. Scoundrel means rogue person, badmash, scoundrel. So he was a scoundrel person. He made many excuses and did not return my jewelry. Means he made many excuses. He did not give it to me on time, and I had to make many movements to his shop. So he made me walk up and down to his house a dozen times. मुझे कई बार उसके घर जाना पड़ा, a dozen times. That was when this bricklayer saw me. तब उस bricklayer ने मुझे देखा. It's the damn goldsmith's fault. और ये तो अब उस goldsmith का fault था. Poor thing, she is absolutely right, thought the king. Weighing the evidence, we have got the real culprit at last. Get the goldsmith wherever he is hiding at once. Now the king said that this woman is saying right. Whatever she said is worth paying attention. Now we have to find out the real culprit. Culprit मतलब जो दोषी होता है. Culprit means जिसकी गलती हो. अब हमें रियल कल्प्रिट मिला है. जस्ट फाइंड आउट द goldsmith wherever he lived. Okay, we have to find out the real culprit of the person, means the innocent burglar who was killed. We have to find out the real culprit, and now find out, he asked his messengers to find out the goldsmith.